Have a think about the day-to-day tasks people perform with their hands. We brush our teeth, we drink from cups, we write, we hold utensils, we use computers, we unlock doors, we open parcels, and more. But for people with certain disabilities or the elderly, these tasks can be difficult, painful, or even impossible. With the technology skills and creative mindsets of the present, we can make a difference. We can make anything. Introducing Make Able, an assistive technology design challenge for students where they will work in teams to make a 3D printable product that improves the life of someone who struggles with mobility in their hands. Going beyond a competition, Make Able centres around an online challenge toolkit, which takes students through a step-by-step process to design and make a life-changing assistive device. During their Make Able journey, students will learn about disabilities, assistive technology, and 3D printing from industry experts, gain creative inspiration from stories and example solutions, build technical 3D design skills, find and define a meaningful challenge, develop empathy for their audience, use design thinking methods to identify opportunities and generate ideas, make, test and refine a product through an iterative process. And finally, they'll tell their story and submit their entries for the chance to win some amazing prizes for your school or organisation. Let's use emerging technologies to design and make for purpose.